Last 2 days, and a Bank of Ghana and launch a gold coin at the bar and Monte. So our gold coin no obey me aquacotobi. Now the aquato since then open we see a scar, a little answer with this cano equisio them nemo to gold coin no now the aquisi a bedu say be a woe person was a so can back on maybe gold in the price and arise and also a bit me abwa. Now ama a yen nam one ababe react one same way home. I'm a bulldog and so ababe reactive. Your name said nam one and a day this gold coin once says him a day kind a bag on the memhanum. Nam one ye name baby or Gina say ye channel the left, right, center, ama the men's gold crampono, ye guno, ama nam one, say a month for baby or honoma or the diomoka. I know any bulldog, the cocoa pie, say Ghana, Bank of Ghana, they say Mopa say Mugu a nam one a jumano, Namu ye swa, must have via a ideas are. Or the Ababato Monte. Young video a Bank of Ghana, a governor, a Ernest Addison, and some of the two a brown lunch a good coin.
Rushing to buy dollar to save and put under pillows. You don't need to do that if you have options. Now, if you don't buy dollars, you go and buy treasury bills or bonds. We are giving you an opportunity from the domestic gold purchasing program to also buy gold. This is what we are trying to launch now. And we call it the Ghana gold coin. The Ghana gold coin is manufactured from Dory gold, dug out of Ghana, which has been refined to 99.99% purity. It is issued and guaranteed by the Bank of Ghana. It will be available in 3 different units. That is the 1 ounce coin, the half ounce coin, and the quarter ounce coin to suit different investment needs. Each coin has the Ghana coat of arms in front and the Independence Arch at the back. The packing of
In the Bank of Ghana governor, a Ernest Addison, Edibatuja. Nano ena a bulldog and a piece of film for Eddie Como, then ye bulldog here, ne cocoa pie, and Chichimunia say, or say Bank of Ghana and a Ghana government, or maybe a men's good, a nam wine, any ideas after say good men's good, the Juma normal man and wine, say no, oh, who the onion one, say in the case in now I am back in front of it.
Men's gold is like a gold bank. Into Uto gold now. Then Udi Aquacomomu. Now what they do is they go onto the international market and trade the gold because gold is like a huge or a big commodity and register losses. So it's more of a gainful so almost trade here. Then the Ombenya also no almost a percentage based on who go do now when more offensive, I mean for somebody like that who was making so much money of whatever he was doing. He didn't need to even enter our space, make our space and make our entertainment space. But also share and send a space who say no. Why don't I also invest into our space? And Obia, there's nobody in this space. Obeka say the Namuan Beye no Obia the B Ghana da ABC da. I can confidently tell you, say. All the artists that we signed up until today own houses and one a common one talk a fee or a friends or cash or muka he virtually took care of everything from top to bottom. We had 6 artists at the time. Signing signing Stoneboy, signing Becca, signing Kumigita, signing Obibini, signing Shatawale, any Joyce Blessing. All these individuals are master Mudin Namuan to Fiemo because I was responsible for buying the houses myself. And see why your momu car Juma Scout Bay with Juma Yedibema also account, so he was doing so much and he wanted to do more, but fate will have it another way. And a mechanic fitter, young call for Nana Kufad only call for Ababa Jumano. And then Misha, a some bay or person we the same thing. Oh, the main mechanic say, oh, Yankupo bet your money in our car. I'm telling you, and you see somebody like Nana Kufado, he has to die in jail.
Bulldog.
I'm telling you. No. Patrol Mami Cars. The reason why I say this.
Yeah, but those words are too strong. Patrol baby.
Yeah, Patrol me go.
Patrol. And Patrol.
Mami explain me. Mami explain me. Yes, Omu di banu besi baby. You see, I am not God. Me enye na me born na akufa inti de meka no enye say no na ebebem but I'm saying say for me I suffered enye me kwa obi to say ano ye chien share self we suffered so much based on the same thing. So I'm telling you, say, me pai boy me body bia na akufa do obegu wo je. Telling you.
Don't do.
Obe jail no go
don't do that. Budok. Let's have a very, very Obikan says civil very conversation. Pacho Bipri. Why? Matrix. Because you just want to know. Me too.
And you see, look, we had over. One had employed over 100 people just in xylophone. I mean, 100 cries, over 500 people just to work for xylophone in the entertainment space. Minka and Crawford, no omuye juma or a men's go. Now, apart from that, we all knew or saw the aftermath of what happened with men's go. As I speak to you people, to you now, I have men's gold customers in a group that I belong to. People are bedridden. People have lost their marriages. They've lost their lives. Then you turn around and come and do what? You steal someone's idea to come and present it to Ghanaians as a novelty. And these are the same people who fought the guy tooth and nail. Said you're a scam, you're a Ponzi scheme. As I speak to you today, the Ghana police has 5 million Ghana cedis in their bank account sitting there. They should pay customers. Now, one young coca so customers call now me office into Minyanka, may you sumo premises they are here in Crofon Kakraka. Almost all Branabe or this cano almost attorney general Yefascano and Koshe Bank. As I speak to you, Scano Bank. So you ask yourself, say, this present administration, a Juma Ben or Mubedima in Ghana and Kofo. It was a Yakasa, Yadiam Yakasa, me, Makuma, me, I promise you something today. Me, when I speak, God listens to me. Me, can't send me a Yanko Bonfida. I'm telling you. Until Omudomu prepare. Look, everybody on that economic, you're from team be headed by the former, headed by the Baumia, almost economic team, Baumia, head, former finance minister, no, also, make Yao Sapuma, Omumia, was what mismanagement or Mudiaba, they say almost more hedgy a dollar, CD against dollar by introducing a coin. Will be a Juma, will be idea novelty or no one can all the year Juma Kakraka, move. Boss.
So, so as someone Ebiana, also cry, Usika men's gold, now ye Juma xylophone, unim investment and one a year.
Yes.
Just hearing Bank of Ghana, seeing this, Adia Wamuye, Eddie Yao, and Eddie about so.
Exactly. Nobody in their right senses are or university or men's gold will be laughing about this issue because this same Bank of Ghana, and the evidence is there. The Bank of Ghana was warning people against men's gold. Now, when they started the warning, they said, don't take your money to men's gold. What customers felt was that, men's gold will seek a bit money. Oman now the engine said, Oman using SEC. SEC, you never have a closing men's go down. Now, open so closing men's go down, because you say only license. So, open so closing men's go down, you should think deeper. Say, okay, look, these more customers. How do we get the money to the customer before you better shut your mouth down? You come and shut down, kill people. I mean, ruin their investment, and even the number one cry, you cannot say cry. Only for mommy or papa or ma or staff. And then you can say in the industry now you can entertainment industry acting for now and then we are seeing what they are doing. The contract look at friends and family business. But you see, I want to use this opportunity to tell His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, these people cannot go scot-free. I'm telling you, not in this Ghana. they have to face the consequences, the full rigors of the law. Now, the first, the Dowona will be as president or by as of closing Ghana airport. Everybody, every government appointee needs to surrender their passport. Look, they are not going anywhere. They will fail. They cannot. You know, you come and mess people's business up. And you see, we are even forgetting. Look at media houses that closed during the. Look at banks somewhere gunu. And then what I know, one a Juma now also a Ponzi scheme. And I walk far baba into who we be saying. Nana Rudankwa Akufo-Addo is the biggest scammer in the Fourth Republic as a president. Asemo kaina on nearby.
Budok, that's it. We see you.
After say Budok no and a piece of film, frɛ ɛyɛ nam one, ɛyɛ Nana Apia Mensah, ɛyɛ CEO and founder for ɛyɛ Men's Good. No money di nkomo. No dear, the nkyɛn na say was in fact, this ɛyɛ vision and answer this idea Bank of Ghana ɛde aba no ɛyɛ very very good because this initiative on what shart no who the future of it say ɛyɛ something ebetimi abua youth no mom ono de o de afutuo ene ma Ghana food na say e very good e go bia and try to be patronize into ono de abasobode ene o de ma Bank of Ghana na ene o de nsem so so ene the court won sensem the back and front of it no court no ba o se court won sensem de ontimi nka e wo mountain because nsem no e wo court na mom o hye e omo a o de omo kani na abo say in fact after the court case we na ebeba wie no na nkudum dia ba obesettle obia ne wo famo ne nananom ne maame mom obesettle obia e wo hono
enyoma na isi ne ya I mean ya nyina ya but enye obia fault makada ya se die obi nti bibia se a you know easy say obese na obepom atare bi dia se no you know and I mean it's just a matter of time international was say mo be so bekoso iso abon mu yamuntuma I mean that's what my grandmother says mo bom yamuntuma na yenyina yemi mo gidie say atia na emo emu enti nyame ya adoma se nyame pene so a e bia court nsensem ne be wie fefefe yetimi wie a me gidi se obia ne bibi akodi mu se na me kan emreti aware emu no you know yetimi ba the civil side na obia bibi a ekodi mu no ne nsabe kan fefefe including me nana de including me wofa no mo de including me wife de makontafo you know obia nsabe kan de nti no me hye mu nkran se yenkoso nya abotre maka ne se wie no meba o question ankasa so. Okay, to be honest, yeah. Well, I mean, for disclaimer, we into one sana, and I say in that immunities or whatever, into one sana, makoso. So in Zambia, I make our hand because me gusi juna emra enyumuno. Me kano, you can't say me can be bia. Ebekwekochi and ebekwekotia and ebeko asem na e wokota ye kan wasem na yenyan wie no okay you know so bonyi be kan say I make this comment without prejudice okay you know to the ongoing you know legal proceeding okay you know into no mekasa kakra I mean yenyina mu no me feel say oman no nenkan ko enyi ne yie mu na yenyina epe into the sebi say me wa dwentire kitu e bia in as much as me papa we so some beja say oh min jai mama kan shi obibiano I mean we all love this country hana ye wo ye hana enyi hana ye bi wada enyi bibiako enti say me wajin and na me tumi home no say me wajin treki twi bia misusu say me de tuja so long as en offending no sensibility no as an enkutia obiano enye ne boneso maybe back to substantive issue no Bank of Ghana was it me tia no me feel saying patrosa na question na me boa sa so let me give you I mean you probably breed and send your mommy and you be in the comment many dear papa asema me ba bekin
nana ya fa concept na we fa concept we hu awani age
papa asema me ba bekin I mean message say amanfo beti ni yi no mo hu bibia many je ni free and make you know with emphasis the solution to galamsey ya ekoso bebrebe and obia there is a gold crate obia person too good solution to galamsey ekoso ayensu say a demonstration ekoso you know the ekoso nyina na the Bank of Ghana introduce no and I say it again dia ekoso ene obia pe good e woni fi obia pe so kodi gold hu dwa obia pe so kotu gold because yim say gold we am you to a gold ubenya sike fi mu ma wabra bo asesa obia hia gold solution nenye dia Bank of Ghana e dia ba betu dwa no Yeah, can say own a piece of gold, own a piece of Ghana, and then I am will be up to good, will be up to good, will be up to only a piece of gold. And to say in the Bank of Ghana, I share you can say tax remuana will say, oh. Who be here? Some will be critical. As will be here good. Kakra to na dake mo. Send na me papa. No. Okay. I said no. Obi be ua. Na se openi bi ua. Ya kwashe na dake mo si. Be who good bi uma. E good ye bi uma. Na ye tuni aton dia boa nkwala e wo fie no. Ye go back. Sankofa ye ntri. Intisisi ano. Bank of Ghana dia dia betu di. Say edimwa na eyiya ebe solve the issue of galamsey ewo kwan ben so ewo say you see we don't necessarily need to dig every single gram of gold ewo Ghana and sana it me trading gold abrofo gold na yo mo beton bebre no koye no the friend of bullion ko dane no 9999 pure gold no mo dia to trading platforms so na trade you will be a friend of hallmarking LBMA London Bullion Market Association members no hallmarking is very simple because they're very kind of like academic and technical
sure
stamp I recognize it into refining via no more hallmarking into some hallmarking industry no gold na be tradable that means the core bank baby we are see a bank need to me accept exit 2 okrama obosia times 3 adintia because when say gold in the ho ebe appreciation ni dey say emfi ade san ebon ekoso enyoma ema utumi create stability ema wo ho ana wo hedge one kasa personal economy ebi ni gold ebi ni real estate what you say and stocks no a company usually the company no na ho dey come from now stocks no so come from it that leaves us with gold and real estate now real estate no dey ma gold e kon 10 real estate ni say ene no dan dey and who sa phenomenon no Ghana apa nkofo bebre wa dan won sa say na so no mu liquid and I say the bit for mu you can say impofri mu okay not the dan to for sale at the market so person to no cost of we dia na mami bia na na bia say kwen say is can 10 ma na dan no the bit was for sale be di be 1 year no bi antoy na so go the dan ma which is equally an asset to set down or fire and immediately to me flip it. One turn out to me at the loany loan a solve problem in 10. Until we are finding a gold standard. We are supposed to one day ever go into all of that. But what is important and then what is relevant to our conversation and then you say Bank of Ghana and the name mini general. So say our mom be a punanato when you better will be a flag gate. Ama and say me obi with a kwa obetumi insurance amane ba obetumi asan so ato good akoto na dakem what you say ochine bi no say me say me ko adwuma ba na se man be fie bi ma e ko hwe ma dakem wa e be so me good kakra nti omo option say either say omo de beto omo na appreciate no mo ato omo option to betumi ko trade on any of the gold trading platforms omo option say omo beto and omo ton so omo mbre na ama abrabo ayefefe fe ni ebusia empuntu ekoso nti the Bank of Ghana aye the solution to galamsey because back in the day na nipa be brave and fa galamsey why be a stigma ebata ho oh yeah so be here galamsey a stigma bata ho galamsey say now so no said miracle ni nyim na amanfo anyi be bie no omo say bibi wo ho into this will be to be you see and also be to be no so no environment no be degraded because omo reclaiming land no and omo twa na egu omo say koko ni nyoma it there is a mad rush for good and asem we mo be amfane political me ba be kan we aban bi e bebe bia no enjai so long as your solution na aban bi e bebe bia enjai because there's a mad rush back in the day na to good yeah in as much as it was licensed not galamsey koso me na no my breast na so na issue nyina intact because na nipa bibri enyi sisi ana obi ehu and by virtue of the ACC no and call for air research nti omo say a viable avenue omo call omo brabo besesan nti ebe koso but the Bank of Ghana dia betum ndem no ebe bua mami can say the very first start solving a problem because then mad rush no here go that what do you do corner you betumi Bank of Ghana be apono create avenue say obetumi akwa bi and then me bompa and me wogidie wanyankopon mu say enke ebedu ho omo say create trading platform and kan it then what happens you say good 100 kilos na market no so black we say abadi wo yemfa ne say 2 kilos me na na apia idea me wo 500 grams e bi uncle so quick 10 kilos wouldn't be able to see. Young prayer who said because it will be in circulation to say currency. Okay, and mind you, gold your currency, gold your universal currency. A universal currency in the sense, say, a value of gold our Ghana and then it's okay to 5 grams, a value now and then open Afghanistan, at the same value as soon see a dim account. And I did account where reflect to be and go the universal currency. Instead of currency circulating, okay, and you Dibiana, you check currency, no. Sana, by virtue of when on the Java market, no, so much to need or money to need creative trading platform can one. Gold your 2277, your friend saying, impulsive, mining of gold, whether legal or illegal, I mean, now the jai, because you know what, it will be in circulation. Also, on my currency now, yet all the time, like Bank of Ghana coaches Sikade Befra. I just say, video index now say it be free. So that's what happened.
Okay.
Just say another account now we created. That means say, problem your person also will be also go to the tap food. What is the tap food? I didn't know for A to go to sir. Just because said you for person some economic standing and status, right? Into a economic need. Okay. You bet into and I am satisfy economic need, no. And some I am a security ekikain. Into by virtue of introducing this, no. Some to me nya kukudro sebi a create trading platform can one. What happen? You say gold kakana you to dada no. Obi pe gold on say trading be a whole bit me akoye bi nti okoto gold ni wia or the akoto trading platform no so trading na sika na nka wo so koto galamsey na de brand no trading platform ne de ma no nti when e be ha no wo so akose bush akoye galamsey akọ ama so jenye be chesi no na fine iko saying with all the risks associated with it intermediate rather just am kasa na yawa but many aji papa.
I see. And ye di arehoma say ye share investment now ye wo the entertainment industry through xylophone and edwuma igu ye edwuma gu ye amasa investment ni na nka by na nka ye fi se nka entertainment industry nkra no nka kona nim niama nka ejirigina na so amanfo ano mu nye edwuma ye na abaya begu edwuma ye yesu nche se okra de weni agi.
Oh bra enye ne sa nemu mu no media sabi menyim se e dia background na me fi baninti a me bibia me ye bia na me show mine first sabi mo hye enyoma nyina me de mabra boy sabi me wie school me de me si nyimpanyi fie so me start se me ye nyina sa wo hye na wo de anyi kan na be hye a wo be se oman no empuntuo nyi oman ni ye na me ye den na me hye enti me de bibia beto me bia no se enepu enmekesi so se ne me na afia me nsa se wo se me wu na Ghana etumpon a I would willingly and happily embrace that. Why? Because any single human being in a given state, right? In a given state, no, we are subservient to the state. Like said in no, we appreciate some of these things. Be to me the omuti kwaji atema de o man edisi ho. Edimum ekwa akon ewuye na de aman di. Enti say ye mbre so no say akon nyi ho biem. Ye nkwa akon biem. Enyi kwan so obi ade ne ti koyi kwaji atema na ekoyi bibi. Na say wo bibi a obeye mpo na say big disadvantage wo. Na yet the advantage, glorious advantage socio-economically, and by extension politically, why not? You should be able to embrace it. I mean, just like a good philosopher said, we should always be thinking about what we can do for, our country and not the other way around.
Okay.
And it's not necessarily, but I mean, share the bigger picture. Sabi, and then if I need it, you need the brain, say, halfway of our life. Anytime you reach me,
okay.
What I say, in man, what I say, since she say, Pabbe Tohoma in 3 mana, said me back. Any point say, what say, or go through the Amako through Nuna, Yabeboni, Dini, Dibina, and she say, oh, homo, Biano, Biani Bezia. Maybe any idea for now, dear baby, I may do it. I mean,
okay.
And Jin Filma, rapidly.
Okay. And you better see, Nina Diababwa, Ewon Komoi, and me assure say, and pioneer the better with China, Yamin, count a court case, no, intimate concovi, one way be omudia came na, yentimi settle na, says xylophone, men's gold in Yakina, bet me about Yamin, na, etimi ba, me assure say, a bebuama, a binum sunti, answer etimi common.
Okay, bro, me that's the problem. Person become one thing real quick about licensing, no.
Okay.
And no, because you're caught. But me jam with question. I mean, more like food for thought. Now, in jail.
Okay.
Bro, you see, can xylophone best back. By the way, it's just a matter of time. Many Uncle Socrates, ideas, plans they bring a but a insensitive, you know, some kofo be we say, what's a xylophone see entertainment kakra, kofo dia say hear music, not sebi, kofo wa kokema, omu sebi, into nuclear indie, and until you put on hold. No. However, I can we real quick, mean say in terms of licensing, I mean, not Lady V can say, we respect, but you minimudi, and until I'm on board.
Yeah, boy. MCI, boy. Yeah, boy.
MCI, boy. Yeah, madam. Patrona, oh, can be say, yes, concept, no, you're great, you know, and what have you. However, no, now your license, I mean, you operate within the correct licensing regime, now. Me, yeah, no, because you're called Sebi, Emreba, me, yeah, no, we are active, but me, jump with some food for thought. Number one, yeah, Minerals Commission under a legal, you know, jurisprudence, no, Minerals Commission, which is almost pretty and administrative, almost pretty under the Mining and Minerals Act, almost to me.
Act,
you know, by extension, with extension, by extension of the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, some mobile licensing, UPDR, whether say we government agency, and I say we I mean individual, yes, the government agency penny act no the Dumano I say also call to the relevant authority, no, particular body, no, the licensing. Into Mefan say, I mean, issue the legal, you know, background, and the legal arena, almost the idea in a, but I would want to believe the Minerals Commission in Hubi. And here, real quick. Number two, you know, point in say Minerals Commission also na yes, you know, and for your information, now your license, now Minerals Commission a grant, no, at the age, man. Now, my question in Yambra Media, Brackle Sympathy, despite media, and now see a piece from Snake Santianca piece FM. What you may my ebida and me will be no media need okay, which is xylophone radio, as you see, I'm actually trying to kakra. Xylophone FM, I actually trying to kakra. You know, license back. You call say traditional media, and I Brackle Simiboa.
Yeah.
So traditional media is different from digital media, and I Brackle Simiboa.
Sure.
Hello, Pastor Motenenka.
Yeah, me too, Kapa, me say sure.
Okay,
yeah.
Great. And I said National Commission, National NCE, National Communications Authority, and I did license one. I'm Pastor Nyesa.
Sanity.
Your license I called you Mimi will be no. NCE, my radio station, and media body be a Ghana. Being it electronic and print, your license on the Miami will be no. And me will be my kind of meeting your Castle Authority. Empower radio and media has the organ as their own pretty digital media. And they can't digital media. So media phoning no more channels for Twitter, more channels for Instagram, more channels for TikTok, and other digital media. Your license I do you mind then? You know do NC. NC license is what the money. Also for mass. Yeah. Now yet traditional, you know, electronic broadcasting. That's no. And then you know digital, you know, media. And also no the patrol. I was here Betsy Peace FM, near Coach Xylophone FM, near Coach Joy FM, say, Muni license, I'm with the digital media until you're from Kojina Branoana. Majesi Haya, Yamisha Yina, na Yaminkayan, name woman, you did the Yankan who say Nipabaku, Edna Nipabaku, to me, a kum or sono, Nanso Mansana adding, Erinam, Medamunina, Yamisha Gana, Yamisha Yina, Yamima in Ankwa. Yamia do my Ibisha in person.
Yadasi, Yamisha Papa, that's an apia